Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am Chaitanya from LF4 batch 15 working at UPS Chaudhariguda, Gadkesar Mandal, Medchal district. Let me start by thanking everyone for this memorable meet. English Language Enrichment course collaborated with Azim Premji University is an initiative of SCRT, kept its promise in enriching the speaking skills of all the mentees. Approach of ELEC on us is undefinable and outstanding. Course fulfilled its objectives in giving freedom to express our thoughts. It gave pleasure of learning, not pressure on us, and it gained knowledge by acquisition in creating a friendly atmosphere by our team. Indeed, mentors are the inspiration to many of us in the course, especially my mentor, Mr. Srinivas sir, is always round the clock in encouraging us. I thank other mentors too. An eminent personality, our coordinator, Mr. Sadanandam sir, is who has spent 9 weeks from day 1 to till today bear us. And the roles that he played had really made a big difference in our course. I am going to miss all the mentees who have participated in sharing their experiences in course of ELEC. You all inspired me with your level of professionalism. I really enjoyed every moment working with you all. I would like to thank ELEC from bottom of my heart. Thank you, ELEC.
Hi, hello everyone. I'm Tulsi from batch 15A. First of all, hats off to the program designers. Really, it's a wonderful and the best program I know, and it doesn't give just to learn language, but we can learn many more life-changing morals. The themes and the tasks are so very well designed. Every theme and task give us scope to learn much more. My heartfelt thanks to SCRT and Azim Premji University, and I want to thank my mentor Chandrika ma'am and other mentors Srinivas sir and Lakshminarayan sir for encouraging me, and my co-mentees who are so cool and awesome people. Thank you all for encouraging me, and last but not least, I just want to thank my guru, our coordinator sir, Sadanandam sir. I learned many life-changing morals from him, like generosity, helping nature, available round the clock, and loads of patience and zero selfishness. Really, I am blessed to meet a person like you sir in my life, and I just can say thank you so much sir, and thank you each and everyone for supporting me and encouraging me in my journey of ELEC. Thank you all. This is Tulsi signing off. Bye.
Hi, this is Dr. B. Kumaraswamy, SGT, MBPS Kottur, Mohbad District, ELEC 4, Batch 15A. I created habits of finding ways to practice English every day and every week. Regular efforts build momentum and created habits of learning. For instance, tried to read a few industry articles every week, delivered a presentation in English once a week, and writing weekly team updates tasks in English, which ELEC played a crucial role in improving my language. This course ELEC emphasizes the foundation language skills of reading, writing, speaking, listening, thinking, viewing, and presenting. The development of critical reading and writing skills are a major emphasis of the course. I feel very happy to say I am also one of the part in ELEC family. Our coordinator Sadanandam sir, Dr. Lakshminarayan sir, Srinivas sir, Chandrika ma'am, I feel very happy and proud to our supporting to me. My journey with people who are more positive attitude toward learning English, which made me to keep more effort. I find myself dreaming English practice time, rethinking my approach, and to be more creative. Thank you very much, our APU and SCRT. Thank you very much.
This is R. Manjula, working as an SGT at MPUPS Malakapet, Parkal Mandal, Warangal Rural District, and I am from batch 15A. English Language Enrichment Program is designed by Azim Premji University in collaboration with SCERT, Telangana. And in this course, there are many videos, articles, and TED Talks, and we have learned a lot of things from all these themes, and we can apply them or implement them in our schools for making our teaching learning process more effective and fruitful. And our coordinator Sadanandam sir, mentors Lakshminarayan sir, Srinivas sir, and Chandrika ma'am helped us in achieving all the objectives of this program. and we have made many role plays and everyone participated wonderfully in all the sessions. So we miss all the tasks, we miss all the role plays, we miss the program. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Madhavi Boyapelli, working as SGT at Kandukuru Mandal, Rangareddy district. My batch number is 15A. My coordinator surname is Sadhanandam sir and my mentor surname is Rachakonda Srinivas sir. Before I joined the ALEC, I am very much afraid to speak English in front of others. Now I got very much courage to speak in English. The ALEC gave me unforgettable memories in my life. The themes which are given by APU is very much useful to us. The themes improved not only the language skills but also the life skills. Coordinators and mentors are available around the clock. They gave equal opportunity to each and every mentee in every session. And my mentors always remind me about the completion of tasks. And the coordinators are framed every session in a different way to create interest about that course. My mentees also always encouraged me and always supposed to me. I am thankful to each and everyone. And a special thanks to Ajim Premji University and SCRT.
Hi, hello, namaste. I am G. Shobharani, ELEC 4, batch number 15A. First of all, I would like to congratulate my co-mentees for successfully completing the course. Coming to the course, it was an absolutely new experience. I not only learned to speak language, but also gained knowledge about ample of things. I am thankful to SCRT Telangana and Ajim Prem University for providing such a great opportunity to the teachers. I am also thankful to our coordinator Sadanandam sir and my mentor Lakshmi Narayana sir, who encouraged me put together my knowledge and speaking skills. Now I can proudly speak in English. Mentor Srinivas sir as well as Chandrika madam also supported me in every session. I am very thankful to their kindness and tolerance. This ELAC program is an unforgettable and crucial chapter in my life. Thank you everyone. Thank you for the great opportunity.
It's a pleasure to be here. I am G. Vasanta Midi, ELEC 4 batch 15A, working as SGT, PS Jalapampeta, Penkavelli Mandal, Nagar district. English language enrichment course has given me clear idea about how to acquire English language. Now I can make my students speak in English. Thank you for your valuable course SCRT Telangana and Ajim Premji University, Bengaluru. A huge round of applause to the designers of the program. They found exact problem in teaching. This course not teach me to speak English, but it teaches me to learn how to speak English. I am so grateful to our coordinator Sri Sadananda Veldandi for his encouragement. He make me speak confidently without fear with his great and creative ideas. And thank you for our mentor Srinivas Rachakonda sir for his appreciation and suggestions. He appreciated me what I did. I enjoyed the journey of this 9 weeks course, especially face-to-face session 2. Role plays, storytelling, characterizations, poetry is really unforgettable. The themes are also pretty good. It gave me courage and it enhanced me the way of thinking. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Piyuma Maheshwari, SGT in MPPS Koltur, MCPalli Mandal, Medchal district. I am from LF4 batch 15A. My coordinator is Sadanandam sir and my mentor is R. Lakshmi Narayana sir. This is a great opportunity for me to learn English through Ajim Premji University. I want to learn English. I want to create English environment in my classroom. I want to improve my English language skills. So I joined in LF course. Coordinator and mentors are very friendly and they are helpful to me. They encouraged me a lot in learning English to improve my language skills. They are rounded the clock. They are available to me to clarify my doubts. All the themes and tasks are very nice. They are very useful to me to improve my language skills, and I learned a lot from this course. I am very thankful to Ajim Premji University and LF4 15A batch Thank you, all of you.
Good morning, everyone. This is S. Vijay Bhaskar, working at MBPS Chintakonda, Nizamabad, LX4, batch number 15A. It's really a wonderful journey. My coordinator, Mr. Sadanandam sir, my mentor, Chandrika madam, supported me a lot throughout this journey. They gave much freedom to express my views, and it helped me to drag out my inner abilities towards the language proficiency. I am very much thankful to them. During this journey, I travelled through many interesting and thought-provoking videos and editorials. It helped me to improve my language skills and moral values. Yes, I am sure this is the only platform to improve your language skills without emphasizing on grammar. I am sure I must carry this into my classroom to my children. I am requesting SCERT and APU to do it as mandatory for every teacher in Telangana. I am also requesting my colleague teachers to please join in this course and improve your language skills. Thank you.
I am Muhammad Abdul Aziz, MPPS Tirmalapur, Mandal Rajapur, District Mahbub Nagar. I am LX4 batch 15 student. Teachers at the primary level may not be subjects specialists, but they need to be specialists into important respects. First of all, I am saying thank for Azim Premji University and our SCERT Telangana. And I am saying thank for our mentor Lakshminarayana sir and our coordinator Sadanandam sir is very encouraged me to 24 hours help me. Elect platform journey is very memorable in my life and in my profession. It is excellent and wonderful platform. Why? Because only during a 9 week of course, this course has glamour, no grammar. We learn so many skills like that. LSRW, we have lucky of our primary level teachers, best opportunity of our government teachers. This program really joyful program. First of all, I am confused to talk in English and how to complete the elect training. And our knowledge is English in English 0. But after complete elect, I am easily speaking in English and improved my vocabulary and anytime used me. Thank you. Thank you.